What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you a quick video of how to download Adobe fonts in the Adobe cloud. So what you will do is that you will go to your Adobe cloud program on your desktop. I'm using PC, but of course you can do this from your web or your mobile device as well. So in your desktop cloud application, on your left hand side, what you will find is, if you come down, you will see fonts here in the resource links. First is stock fonts, and so we'll go to fonts. So once you come into the web page, over here you have all the fonts available. On the left hand side, you can choose whatever you want. So depending on what font you choose on the left hand side, this is the text that how basically shows how it will look like. You can see all the family of each font. For example, Mill script, this is how it's going to look. You can see all the family of the script. You can actually see there's two fonts within this font. What you can also do is that if you have a specific script or a text that you want to see how that text will look in any particular font, then you can see that as well. So let's say, so I'm just going to say hello world. This is how it shows how it's going to look like. Okay. On the left hand side, again, if you look, you can see a normal. You can change the weight of it. For example, if I change the weight, you know, based on your classification, how your text is going to look like. You can change the width. So if you want it narrow, or if you want it a bit spread out, you can also do that. You can select the height of your text, contrast as well, standard or caps only. So if I want all the caps, it will only show me all the caps. Okay, so you can select all your filters, whatever you want. There's a classification for languages as well. I personally don't use any of this, but again, there is an option if you need to use it. Let's go into, for example, let's go to the milk script, and we can see how it's going to look like. So these are the two fonts, and what will happen is that you can either download a specific font, or you can just activate all the family. So if you want to activate the whole family, you go to the top right and enable this button. Okay, and click on OK, and now all of these two fonts, actually, depending on how many are there in each family, all of these fonts are now activated in all your Adobe applications. So like Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, etc., etc. Whatever you use, these fonts are the same in all of your apps. Okay, depending on what apps you have. Here, for example, in your cloud app, all of those apps are now enabled in here. Okay, so let's go back. Basically, as you can see, these are now two activated. So if I go back and I want to download this one, for example, so there you can see there are 6 fonts, and if you just want one of it, not all of it, you can simply click on this button, and it will say font activation successful. There you go. Okay, so now you can see you didn't download all of it, you just wanted this one, and there you have it. So this is just a quick video, and I hope you like it, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, bye bye.